said, "I wish I could touch the sky." And Rano whispered, "Then close your eyes. I'll take you there." And suddenly, they were flying through golden clouds and sunlight, laughing like two free souls, together above the world. But dreams aren't always calm. Thunder roared. He slipped. Rano screamed, "Hold on!" Her tiny wings fought the storm. At the last moment, she caught his hand. Her feathers glowed like fire. The monkey whispered softly, "You saved me, again." He opened his eyes under the same tree. Rano smiled. Maybe dreams are real when hearts are true.